Spring is officially upon us, and it's the first time since 2019 that we'll see us transacting in customary conditions. Whilst it remains to be seen whether the market will flourish with the same vigour as the spring blooms, Dr. Andrew Wilson, Chief Economist for My Housing Market, has recently been quoted as saying that early signs are emerging that suggest declines in housing prices may ease sooner than expected. This is positive news leading into what is normally a sought-after season to sell.
Today I'm here with Martin Bennett from the Loan Room. He's going to share a little bit about the mortgage market. Martin, what is one of the big benefits of using a mortgage broker versus going to the bank directly?
Currently, if you go to get an approval, most of them aren't actually an assessed approval, meaning there's been no credit checks, employment checks, or even verification of the documents that you've given the bank. But generally speaking, when you go to a broker, we look to push things through to get them fully assessed. So if you go into auction or you want to make a strong offer, you know that if the broker's done the right job, you've got a real approval in place and you can actually make an offer with confidence.
With the correlation between interest rate rises and the decline in house prices, wouldn't it be better for buyers to just wait this out?
I'm in the financial services industry. I look at numbers all day. So let's just make an assumption, okay, that the house prices might have dropped 10%. So you're looking to buy a $750,000 property. Today you can buy that for $75,000 less, thereabouts. So you're saving $75,000, but now you're also saving money on stamp duty. So yes, rates have gone up. Let's just pretend the monthly payment for that property has gone up by $1,000 a month. So I would ask the audience, would you rather save $75,000 on a purchase price, or maybe for a year or two, it costs you an extra $1,000 a month? I think the difference there, to me, is a no-brainer. I'd be buying in this current market, so long as you can afford the cash flow, because you're buying an asset or a family home at a much cheaper price point, and that much cheaper price point is going to save you so much more over the long run than a slightly higher payment on a home loan.
Buyers have once again shown a significant level of faith in Noel Jones' core suburbs and surrounds, with the Inner East and Outer East recording the highest auction clearance rates of Melbourne metropolitan regions. Figures released for the month of August showed the first upturn in conditions since May, lending support to Dr. Andrew Wilson's prediction. The median house price reached at auction also rallied, improving by a staggering 11.3% against July's results. It now rests at just over $1,090,000. These results will be welcome news to those looking to take a property to auction in the spring market.
August saw the rental market strengthen yet again with a further drop in vacancy rates. The result of 1.3% is remarkably different to the 3.6% vacancy rate recorded in Melbourne only 12 months ago. Domain has reported that Melbourne saw the country's biggest drop in vacant rental listings, with the number down 61.5% in the past 12 months.
Congratulations to the Nunawading Cricket Club, who are the August recipient of the Noel Jones Community Support Program grant. Based at Mahoney's Reserve in Forest Hill, the Nunawading Cricket Club is a progressive and family-friendly club with great people, great facilities and great cricket programs for girls, boys, women and men of all ages and abilities. The grant will allow them to design customised girls' uniforms and kickstart their Women's Social Sixes program, which they will now be able to offer free to members of the local community from October this year. You can read more about the Noel Jones Community Support Program by visiting noeljones.com.au/community support program.
If you have any questions about buying or selling in the spring market, contact your local Noel Jones office or visit our website at noeljones.com.au.